Then, shall we review this drill?
Yes.
What is it called? Bosch IXO, yeah? Okay, hold on. You ready?
Ready.
Okay. Okay, let's see. Right, here, grab it. Right, I'll hold the screw. Wait. Get it in there first. Come on. Come on, get it in there. Right in there. Push it down. Very good. That was quite good.
Oh, done. Okay. Oh, done.
Wait. Here. Let's see how you get it in there.
Yes. We did it.
We did it. Here, bring it here. Come on, drill it. Drill it here.
We're done. Here, I'm going to drill it.
Okay, go. Stand up. Come on. Use 2 hands. Yeah. Come on. Push it down. Push it down with the other hand, yeah? Nearly. Hold it. Hold it there. Ready?
Ready.
Get this. There. Go for it. Press it. Very good. Let's see again. Here.
20.
Come on. There you go. Come on, press it. But you finished? It wasn't pressing it here. You did it.
Oh, down.
Good job.
But done.
Well done.
You can jump.
Thumbs up. Good job.
One done.
Are we done?
Done.
Say bye.
No.
Alright, start.